Hello everyone, welcome back to the Clean Architecture series in .NET Core. In the last video, we set up Entity Framework Core and SQLite in our projects and install the necessary packages. And also we configure our connection from the program file. Here is the one. Okay, now in this video, we will continue from there by adding the connection string and running our first migration to generate the database. So this line tells the application to use the connection string from the app setting. So if you can check the app setting, go to the API and have the app setting. If you look this one, appsettings.Development.json. So here is the two file. Application.json, which is used for production, and appsettings.Development.json, which is used to only during the development. So once I open this and so here we write a sub connection, comma, enter. So I write the connection string, default connection selector, move this one. So this name should be the same we write here, default connection, and there is the one default. And this is our server SQL Server connection. Copilot give it to me, but I'm using SQLite, so I just remove it. Data, whatever you can give the name, you can just write your name. So I write my name is now our connection string is ready. So now next step will be create entity framework migration. For this we will install the entity framework tool. So first we need to check either we have a tool or not. So I think that means dotnet-ef, just enter. And no, I don't have. So for that one we need to go to the Google, so which and then we write here here is the one. So we have a global, local, so whatever you want to add, you just go through and copy this and paste there and enter. So tool.net-ef, and please make sure you have a correct version. Like if you are using 9, you can use the 9. So now let's again I run this command .NET-ef. Now we can got the tool for the migration. We go and create our first migration, so we need to clear this, and then after we come to the solution level, which I already there. So please make sure you also there in our solution level, and then we use .NET-ef migrations at initial. Then we need to specify the project which contain the data context, like our HP infrastructure. Then we specify the startup project as an API and enter. When we run the migration command, the tool will generate C# migration files based on our entity class. So it will, okay, now it's going to be a error migration. Actually I spelled wrong, so yeah, migration. So if you go and check our first migration, which will be here, okay, to this file, and this designing and the initial and the snapshot, the initial file. So this file defines the changes need to create or update the database schema. Now we need to update the database. Once we update the database command, those changes will be applied to the actual database. Now we're going to update the database. Just keep like that. Once it's completed, it will generate the file which is on db. So this is the same name which we are mentioned here. So it will generate it. And if you wanna see this file, just download the extension, the name of SQL, which is I already downloaded. This SQLite. You need to install this one. And once you install, then you need to just got this one and control E, SQLite open database, and it will ask you the directory, yes, and it's showing on the bottom of the left hand side. And you can open the connection and database here, and you wanna check this product, and here is the, but there is no data because we did not update the data here. Alright, that's it for this video. We have completed our connection string setup and run our first database migration using Entity Framework code. In the next video, we will see how to insert data into the database using our clean architecture setup. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. See you in the next one.